Hello, welcome to GreatLink Office Air. Let me introduce our company to you shortly today. GreatLink is a full-service global logistics provider established in 2007. We are focused on delivering shipments from China to USA and Canada. We are always looking for strong long-term partnerships to complete our brand. Let me show you our company. Follow me. Sales department consists of marketing department and overseas department. Our diligent and professional sales team is committed to providing creative and effective solutions to our customers. 24 hours standby. This area is operation department. They're in charge of specific operation procedures such as booking and releasing space, issuing bill of lading and releasing shipment, arranging tracking, doing customs clearance, and lots of paperwork. Here is commerce department. This team is mainly responsible for developing and maintaining relationships with carriers such as shipping lines, airlines, purchasing freight rate, and providing logistics solutions to sales. Hello. This is finance department. They are responsible for payment. A good cash flow is very important for us to go further. Our China office is located in Shenzhen. Welcome you to GreatLink. By the way, if you like me, please give me a like. If you have any questions or demands regarding to shipping or logistics, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.